Before we start, let's take a look at the parts we all need. Here are the parts: press wheel cover, skeleton oil seal, press wheel spacer, round nut lock washer, press wheel eccentric shaft, bearing outer ring, bearing inner ring, press wheel tire. First, freeze the two bearing outer rings for about 3 hours in advance. Set the bearing outer ring small end down. Tap side to side for installation. ... Flip it to mount the other side. After both sides are fitted, leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, relying on thermal expansion and contraction. Preheat the bearing inner rings to about 80 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. No heating tool? Grab an iron bucket with engine oil and heat the oil to nearly 100 degrees Celsius. Hang the bearings with iron wire and submerge them in the oil. During heating, clean the press wheel eccentric shaft. Clear tiny dust particles using an air blow gun. Coat the skeleton oil seal with some grease to prevent it from tearing during installation. Also, apply some grease to the press wheel spacer during installation. To install the tab washer, align it with the groove and set it in place. Then fit the round nut. After that, install the press wheel cover following the same steps we did before. Next, we need to adjust the tightness of the press wheel. When adjusting, secure the press wheel eccentric shaft to keep it from moving. Then try turning the press wheel tire. If it spins easily, the round nut is not tightened enough. There should be resistance when rotating the press wheel tire.